Alrighty, everybody. Well, we're back, and let's see what we got. It's a little tough to get out of here. Come on. Oh, this looks good. Alright, so here is our pasta bake. You see it's nice and bubbly. So now, we're going to add that Parmesan on top. Okay, so obviously you can eat this however which way you want. You can add some hot sauce. You can do all sorts of fun things to it. You can store it in your fridge, and if you take this, let it cool naturally, and then you could wrap this in plastic wrap if you wanted to, or put this in an airtight container. It will keep in the fridge for about 3 days, but you could freeze it as well. Put it in some kind of freezer container. There's lots of different people that make those kind of things. Tupperware makes a very good line of what they call freezer mates. It will keep anything in the freezer good for months and months and months and months. So that's also an option that you have. But there you go. There's our tuna bake. And as always, it's great to have y'all here with us. And, of course, as we always say here in the Gamma Force or Greenie's Campground, or however which way we're going to end up calling it, in the immortal words of Bill S. Preston Esquire and Ted Theodore Logan, be excellent to each other. I'll see y'all soon.